Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the DJI SmartFarm app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. DJI SmartFarm is a precision agriculture app designed to help farmers optimize farm management and productivity. It provides real-time crop monitoring, field mapping, pest and disease detection, yield analysis, and drone integration for aerial surveys. The app also offers data-driven insights, automated data collection, and intuitive analytics tools, making farm operations more efficient and informed. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its clean interface, actionable insights, and seamless integration with DJI drones. Farmers appreciate the real-time monitoring, advanced mapping, and automated data collection, which helps save time and improve crop yields. Many users also like the ability to track farm activities, generate reports, and make data-driven decisions for better productivity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Full access to advanced features may require a subscription, which might not be affordable for all users. Occasional connectivity issues, drone syncing errors, or limitations in offline functionality can affect performance in remote areas. The usefulness of the app also depends on having compatible DJI hardware to fully leverage its capabilities. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the DJI SmartFarm app may be worth using if you're a farmer or agri-tech professional looking for a comprehensive, tech-driven farm management solution. It excels in real-time monitoring, data analytics, and drone integration. However, if you're not ready to invest in compatible hardware or subscriptions, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.